Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about two incredible freebies that college students can claim right now, Google AI Pro and Cursor Pro, both completely free for an entire year. Gemini Pro is currently the strongest reasoning model out there. It's already surpassed GPT-03, and Cursor, it's hands down the best AI coding assistant and writing tool available today. You might only know Cursor for coding, but here's the thing. It's absolutely unbeatable for writing too. Sure, there's competition in the coding space with tools like Windsurf and GitHub Copilot, but when it comes to writing, Cursor is in a league of its own. I'll be making a separate video diving deep into this topic. Here's the crazy part. Regular users pay $20 per month for each of these services. That's $20 times 2 times 12 equals $480 per year. If you have an Edu email, you can save all of that money, but you need to act fast because the application deadline is coming up soon. What's included in Google AI Pro and Cursor Pro? Google AI Pro includes the industry's most powerful deep research feature powered by Gemini 2.5 Pro, the best document summarization tool available, Notebook LM, 2 terabytes of Google Drive storage space, the most advanced text-to-video tool currently available, VO3. Cursor Pro includes 500 high-speed AI requests per month, unlimited code completion and generation, perfect for light to moderate usage, more than enough for most users. Eligibility requirements. Eligibility requirements for Google One AI Premium Student Discount. You need to be a student in the United States, United Kingdom, Brazil, Japan, or Indonesia. You must be 18 years or older. Act fast. You need to sign up by June 30th, 2025. If eligible, you'll get free access through June 30th, 2026. Eligibility requirements for Cursor Pro student discount. You need an Edu email address. You must prove your student status. Note, teachers and alumni don't qualify. You'll need to submit your student ID or other official documents that prove student status. Step-by-step application process and important notes. Google AI Pro application process. Log into your Google account. Find the official application page and link your student email. Complete the student email verification. Start enjoying about 1 year of free AI premium services. Cursor Pro application process. Go to the official Cursor application page. Register a new account using your Edu email. Check your email for verification and provide the required identity documents. Submit payment information in Cursor, select the annual payment option. Confirm that the charge amount shows $0, then complete the payment process. Important reminder, if you don't want to renew next year, remember to cancel your subscription before it expires. Q&A session.
What if I'm not a college student yet?
Then hurry up and apply to college.
What if I can't get accepted?
Then apply to multiple schools and increase your chances.
What if writing application essays takes too much time and I can't be productive enough?
Then use Cursor Pro to boost your writing efficiency.
What if I don't know how to use Cursor Pro for essays and resumes?
Then subscribe to my channel right now. I'm working around the clock to create detailed tutorials for you all. That's a wrap for today's video. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.